Hey there, Ken Wilkins, standaloneharness.com. So, to add to the confusion of Gen 5, GM decided to make a second generation version of the 10L transmission. And what we're looking at is the backside of the T93 TCM connector. To identify the generation of your transmission, you've got to do some counting. So, on the plastic, and I can't really show it too good, but right there, there'll be a designation for cavity 1. And so when you count across the top row here, you'll get to 16, and then you'll get to 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then 22, which is this green with brown stripe wire in pin number 22. That designates that this is in fact a second generation 10L transmission.